Are you a veteran or an active duty service member in the military? Well, if you are, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to go over the VA home loan and what that looks like. If you are looking to purchase a home in the upcoming future, then this video may be for you. I'm going to do a quick breakdown and try to get it all done within 5 minutes. Check it out. Also, before we get too far along, if you guys wouldn't mind supporting me, comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I've got some good content on here. If you're a first-time home buyer, if you're a seller, would love it if you guys took some time to just follow my channel here. So a VA home loan is a mortgage backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, and it's available to any active duty service members, former service members, or in some cases, spouses of service members. And the biggest perk of all with it is that it's 0% down. Yes, you heard correctly, 0% down. So just to highlight the major benefits of the VA home loan, obviously, first and foremost, you have the 0 down payment. Some other items, though, that fall under key benefits would be no PMI. No PMI is a big deal. A lot of people who are purchasing a home with a conventional loan, say 5% down, they are paying PMI until they have paid off 20% LTV or loan to value ratio. Another key benefit of a VA home loan is typically you have some very competitive interest rates. Your closing costs are very competitive in comparison to other types of loans. And then on top of all of that, there are no prepayment penalties. So you can pay off your loan whenever you feel like it, and there will be no penalty to you. So some things that would make you eligible for a VA loan would be if you have served during wartime of at least 90 consecutive days, or you served 181 or more days during peacetime, or if you are a surviving spouse of a former veteran. Here's just a quick reality check too when it comes to VA home loans. It is not just for first-time home buyers. You can use a VA home loan multiple times throughout your lifetime. Obviously, check on eligibility and things like that. But it is not just for first-time home buyers. That's a common misconception. Another item too is, keep this in mind, this is sometimes a negative, but there is a VA funding fee, and that just keeps the program running. So even though it is 0% down, you are going to have a VA funding fee on top of that. Typically it's 3%. So if you purchase a home for $200,000, well, you may look up and see that your payoff is at $206,000. So even though you're not putting money down, you're going to owe more on the property. Sometimes you can get away with not having to pay a VA funding fee, and that's if you are a disabled veteran. Sometimes they will waive that. So unfortunately, some agents or sellers, they do feel as if VA home loans are harder to close. They take longer. It's a more difficult process with a VA home loan, and that's just an outdated thought. VA home loans are widely used nationwide. And as long as you have the right lender and you have the right realtor, then you can make your way through the process fairly easily. I will say appraisers with VA home loans, they are going to be a little bit pickier than just your typical conventional loan. They're going to call out things like rotting wood, killing paint, broken windows. But that's going to be with any government loan, say like a USDA loan or an FHA loan. So VA home loans widely used, and if you have the right people behind you watching your back, then you should be able to make your way through the process fairly easily. So whether you're stationed at Whiteman Air Force Base or near there, I would love to help. There are tons of VA eligible homes nearby to Knob Noster, Warrensburg. And then if you wanted to have a little bit of space between you and the base, I live in Blue Springs, so there's tons of homes up this way that are also VA eligible, and I would love to help find you a home. So whether you're just starting out now, you're trying to feel around, maybe you're thinking about buying a home and a VA loan is what you're looking into, just give me a message, shoot me a message, reach out to me. I would love to help connect you with my preferred lender. And he specializes in VA loans as well. And we would love to help you. Feel free to, again, like, comment on this video, and please subscribe for more videos down the road. And we'll see you next time.